Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best on/go antigen test is probably one of the most convenient ways to stay informed about your health. In this video, we're diving deep into the Intrivo On/go antigen test, exploring its features, ease of use, and accuracy. We'll walk you through the testing process step by step, providing insights to help you decide if this is the right test for you and your family. Number 5. KN95 Black Masks 50 PCS. Introducing the KN95 mask. This mask offers high-level breathing protection. It's designed to keep you safe and comfortable. The mask is made with 5 layers, including non-woven and melt-blown fabrics. This design ensures a filter efficiency of greater than 95%, protecting you from PM2.5 particles. This mask is breathable and suitable for all seasons. The high-quality elastic ear loops make it comfortable to wear for extended periods. Each mask is individually wrapped, ensuring hygiene and convenience. It's perfect for daily use, providing reliable protection wherever you go. Please note, this KN95 mask is not an N95 mask. For more information about KN95 masks, please visit Amazon.com about KN95s before purchasing. Stay safe with this mask. What we like. This mask offers 5 layers of protection, ensuring a high level of filtration. Its breathable fabric makes it suitable for all seasons, and the comfortable ear loops allow for extended wear. If you are looking for a mask that balances protection and comfort for daily use, this is a great choice. What people say. The fit is snug without being tight, and the adjustable nose piece helps create a solid seal. The 5-layer construction feels sturdy but not suffocating, and I appreciate that each mask is individually wrapped so they stay clean in my bag. They are pretty thick but still breathable. Number 4. 23andMe Health Plus Ancestry Service DNA Test. Want to know more about your health? This at-home DNA test kit from 23andMe gives you a complete picture. It provides insights into your health predispositions and ancestry. You'll receive over 100 personalized genetic insights. The reports include FDA-authorized information on health risks and carrier status. It helps you understand your body better. Take control of your health with science-backed insights. The service provides information on wellness, diet, exercise, and sleep. Use it to make informed decisions about your well-being. The test is simple and convenient, with no blood or needles. Just register the kit, provide a saliva sample, and send it back. You'll receive your personalized reports in about a month. Your DNA data is encrypted and secure. You decide what to learn and share. Privacy is a priority, ensuring your information remains confidential. The kit also includes access to the 23andMe Ancestry service. You can explore your family tree and discover your origins. Upgrade to 23andMe Plus Premium for advanced features. What we like. This kit provides a comprehensive view of your health and ancestry through a simple at-home DNA test. It offers personalized health reports and insights into your origins. If you are curious about your genetic predispositions and family history, this service will give you a deeper understanding of yourself. What people say. The test is easy to use. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. The results are available in 10 minutes. Number 3. On-Go 1 Rapid COVID-19 Self-Test Kit. Introducing the On-Go 1 Rapid COVID-19 Self-Test Kit. This test provides fast and accurate results in just 15 minutes. It's easy to use at home, giving you peace of mind quickly. The On-Go app guides you through the testing process. If you test positive and are eligible, you can receive Paxlovid and other therapeutics the same day, delivered right to your home. This test is highly accurate, with 98% accuracy. It detects all major known COVID-19 variants, including Delta and Omicron. It's suitable for those with or without symptoms. The On-Go 1 test is designed for easy at-home use. The shallow nasal swab is designed for maximum comfort. Millions of users trust this test for its reliability. You may be eligible for reimbursement from your private insurance plan for up to 8 at-home COVID-19 tests per month. Visit letsandgo.com free to learn more about how to get reimbursed. The FDA has granted an extended shelf life for the On-Go 1 COVID-19 antigen home test. Check the provided link for the new expiration dates of your test. What we like. This rapid test provides results in just 15 minutes, offering quick peace of mind. The accompanying app guides you through the process and connects you to potential treatments if needed. If you need a fast and reliable test with the added benefit of potential access to therapeutics, this is the one for you. What people say. The test is easy to use. The results are available in 10 minutes. The test kit comes with everything you need. Number 2. Genabio COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Self-Test Kit, 2-pack. Get reliable COVID-19 results in just 15 minutes with this test. It's authorized by the FDA and perfect for use at home, work, or for group screenings. You don't need any appointments or lab visits. The nasal swab is soft and short, making it comfortable to use. It's suitable for ages 14 and up, and can be used with adult assistance for those aged 2 and older. There's no need for deep insertion or any extra equipment. Avoid crowded clinics and long lines with this over-the-counter test. You can use it at home whenever you need peace of mind. No prescription is needed, and you don't have to drop it off at a lab, just open the box and start testing. This test provides quick and reliable results for individuals aged 2 and up. It's designed for easy self-testing, with clear instructions for both self-testing and assisted testing. The kit includes everything you need: test cassettes, buffer tubes, swabs, and step-by-step instructions. Just open the box and follow the simple guide to get your results quickly and confidently. What we like. This test delivers results in 15 minutes, making it a convenient option for quick screening. The over-the-counter nasal swab is gentle and easy to use. If you like the convenience of at-home testing without the need for a prescription or lab visit, this test is perfect for you. What people say. The test is very easy to use. The results are available in 10 minutes. The test kit comes with everything you need. Number 1. Boson Rapid SARS-CoV-2 Antigen Test Card. This is the Boson Rapid SARS-CoV-2 Antigen Test Card, authorized for at-home use. It's a convenient way to check if you have COVID-19 without going to a lab. Get your results in just 15 minutes. This rapid test allows you to test yourself anytime, anywhere. It's quick and easy to use. The test kit is small and easy to carry. Each pack contains 2 tests, making it suitable for any event or situation. It's designed for your convenience. This self-test is comfortable and easy to perform. You can collect your sample with a gentle nasal swab. It's recommended for ages 14 and up, with adult supervision for children aged 2 to 14. The test detects both symptomatic and non-symptomatic COVID-19 infections. It's a safe and reliable over-the-counter option for at-home testing. It provides peace of mind. What we like. This test offers rapid results in just 15 minutes, allowing for quick and easy detection of COVID-19. It's an over-the-counter test, eliminating the need for a lab visit. If you want a fast, convenient, and comfortable way to test for COVID-19 at home, this is a great choice. What people say. Works as described. The design of the tests make them easy to use and they are a good value for the money. Instructions are easy to follow. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.